MetaMask is a crypto wallet that allows users to store, send, and connect digital assets to websites. Polymarket is a prediction platform where users can trade on real-world event outcomes using cryptocurrency. This tutorial explains how to set up MetaMask, connect it to Polymarket, and participate in prediction markets. Step 1. Install and set up MetaMask. Install MetaMask as a browser extension or mobile app. After installing, create a new wallet and securely save the secret recovery phrase. This phrase is critically if lost, the wallet cannot be recovered. No one should ever share this phrase with anyone. Step 2. Add funds to MetaMask. Add cryptocurrency to MetaMask. Purchase USDC or ETH from an exchange and send it to your MetaMask wallet address. Ensure you are using the correct network supported by Polymarket, which is typically the Polygon network. Step 3. Connect MetaMask to Polymarket. Open Polymarket in your browser. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. Approve the connection when the MetaMask pop-up appears. Step 4. Browse and participate in markets. After connecting, browse different markets such as politics, crypto, sports, or entertainment. Each market presents a question with yes and no options. Select a market and decide how much to trade. Purchase shares for yes or no based on your prediction. Share prices change based on demand, similar to trading. When the event concludes, the correct outcome pays out and the winning side receives a profit. If the prediction is wrong, the amount invested in that trade is lost. Important tips for beginners. Start with small amounts while learning. Double-check wallet connections before any transaction. Never share your MetaMask seed phrase with anyone. Understand that prediction markets are risky. Prices can change quickly based on news and public sentiment. Limitation. This setup requires understanding of cryptocurrency wallets, gas fees on the Polygon network, and the risks of prediction trading. Polymarket is not available in all regions due to regulatory restrictions. This method is best suited for users who are already familiar with crypto wallets and want to trade on event outcomes.